So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get back the default full size bottom search bar on the Safari on your iOS 26. Now let me quickly show you. If I open Safari, you'll notice that the search bar gets compact right there in the below of the screen, right there. Now if I simply want to make it default and the bigger one, simply go to settings. In the settings, go to apps right there. When you scroll down in the app, simply locate Safari browser right there. Here it is. Simply click on Safari, scroll down and go to this option of tabs, and here you will see this option of bottom. Simply click on bottom. Now again, if you come back to the Safari, you will notice that the default bottom search bar with the bigger size will appear right in front of you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.